On today's episode of Mail Time with Coin Ring Maker, I've got 3 packages from 3 of my favorite creators, which I'll be tagging in the description below. First of all, my wife couldn't wait to open this one. I got her this for Christmas. Isn't this just the coolest thing? And she was so nice, she sent me all these extras, so I'm gonna pop these out and let you see what they are. Super cool sticker, polishing cloth, and business card. Boom. But she also sent me these really cool, like, hobo coin things. Like, look at how cool these are. They're like deadhead. Oh my gosh, I love this one. So cool. Double-sided Morgan. But let's see what else we got. This one's from the Unminted Coin Company. There we go. We got folding jigs for every type of U.S. coin. We got quarters, we got half dollars, we got pennies, we got nickels, we got dimes. I'm so stoked. Thanks, Jonathan. You're the best, man. These are super cool, and I am going to use the crap out of them. All right, package number 3. These came in from Asthmageek. We've got 2 Morgan dollars and 2 peace dollars. Let's flip them over. Yeah. Awesome mail time. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want to follow some awesome creators, follow these 3. I've tagged them below. And thanks for watching. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye.